What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this throwback video, we're going to be going over a 2000 Lexus GS400. As you can see in the video, I'm already starting off showing you a huge scrape on the side of the car. It was pretty long scrape. It covered the front door to the passenger door, to the back door. Excuse me. But yeah, this was the GS400, which means that it was the V8. With total fees and everything with this car, I paid $21,221. I ended up selling this car for $3 grand. So another good car I made profit off of. Let me know what you guys think about how much I paid for it. $21,221. I thought that was pretty high, but I did sell it for $3 grand, so that was, definitely good. But as you can see, it had 182,000 miles on it. And in this car, the AC did not work, I don't believe. If I can remember correctly, the AC did not work in this car. But I still managed to get $3 grand off of it, which was crazy. This was one of them cars where I didn't expect to get that much, but you get that much, sometimes it be like that. But just let me know what you guys think about what I sold it for. You think it was worth the $3 grand, or you think it was... I could have sworn I bought another one and I only sold it for like 25 and it had less miles on it. But I had to go through, some of my videos to make sure. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys watching yet another video. Let me know what you guys think about how much I paid for it and sold it for. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. Again, man, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there. I'm gonna keep giving y'all these throwback videos daily. Appreciate y'all watching once again. Thanks. Peace.